Are we all excited for today?
Yes!
Amazing. Grabe, Pasko na talaga dito sa IKEA. Do you agree?
Yes!
Decor natin. Naku, tall people problems. Oh, diba? Dito ako banda. Kitang-kita naman sa setup natin for today. Very homey. Alam mo yung feeling na pag-uwi mo, ganito kang gaganda. Maaabutan mo kitchen, dining area. Do you ever imagine yourself really coming into an IKEA-like setup of a home?
Yes!
Diba? Parang lahat tayo yung talaga yung gusto natin. Very inviting, very cozy, perfect for any get-together. With the family, whether chika-chika kayo ng mga friends nyo, adilan po kaya having a full dinner with your loved ones. At syempre, must ramdam natin ang holiday dahil napakaganda ng ating caroling straight from Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. Palapukan naman natin sila, nandun sila. There you go. And as you can see, the holidays are just around the corner. And here in the Philippines, it's not just another season. Iba ang Paskong Pinoy. Do you agree?
Yes!
It is something that we live and breathe sa ating mga tahanan. Alam mo na magpapasko na kasi months pa lang, kita mo na kagad ang mga decorations natin. It's the time where we really create lasting memories with those we love. Lalo na yung pamilya, mga kaibigan, mga mahal natin sa buhay. At ganyan po ay napupuno ng ating mga tawanan, masarap na kwentunan, whether ito ay sa kusina or sa dining area, kung saan pang parte ng ating mga tahanan na gagawin natin yan. Pero magagandang mga memories, lalo-lalo na po kapag napasuhan. At bilang mga Pilipino, nagtulad sa atin ang mag-host at mag-celebrate. Sino pang mahilig mag-host at celebrate dito sa kanilang mga tahanan? Yes, di ba? Talagang nakaka-addict pagka marunong ka mag-tablescape, yung mga placements, nagsisilabasan ng mga platong magaganda, ginagamit natin. Hindi lang dati para sa mga bisita, ngayon, ang pamilya mismo natin, they get to use them. Kaya naman, through IKEA, we're invited to do just that with ease, joy, and creativity. Kasi di ba, no matter how big or small our spaces are in our home, there's always a way for us to make it feel warmer, more welcoming, and full of flavor. And speaking of full of flavor, with that, we officially welcome you to Flavors of Home, a festival by IKEA. Balik naman natin. Ang iyong pala pa kasi hawak nila lahat ang mga phone sila. But don't worry, today is not all about our applauses, but really getting to know each other in terms of what kind of space do you really want to create for your family and your friends. Today's celebration is centered on what truly makes every gathering special. IKEA's cooking and eating range, designed to make every meal easier, more joyful, and full of style. Kaya totoo yun sa IKEA, kahit gano'ng kalaki o kalit na ang ating espasyo sa bahay, pwedeng gawin IKEA style ito. Speaking of which, just look around you, ito. Hi po. Parang kasi natabi sabi na, ay, hindi kami nakikita dito. But hello, say hi to everybody, guys. Hi! Okay yun, diba? Today, when you look around, yung makikita nyo ang ganda ng setup natin today. Parang perfect example of what Flavors of Home is really all about. Cozy, functional, napaka-importante. Kasi ayaw naman natin yung display lang, diba? Kailangan with function palagi at yan ang expertise ng IKEA. Ang ganda-ganda tingnan. Okay, dito ako sa ating yellow area. Sino ang nagka-crush kanina pa dito sa ating kitchen island na ito? Itaas ang kamay. O, diba? It's so pretty. I love how the pieces here come together just like this Vadhoma kitchen island. Very, very stylish. Ang dating, nakita nyo naman, pero very functional din. Kahit makikita nyo tayong mga shelves dito sa ilalim that you can put. Yung parang siyang open shelves. Kasi dati, di ba, yung mga plato natin, yung mga kagamitan natin sa kusina, nakasanayan natin sa mga nanay natin na tinatago nila. But here comes our generation where we are so proud to be hosting and celebrating for those we love. Eto, imagine, all the things you can do here. Pwede kayong magmarites ng inyong mga friends. Sino usong-usong makipag-chikahan sa kanilang mga friends dito? Yan. Naku, siguro imagine mo lang, ang daming nag-judge ng mga tao sa kitchen table na ito. Pero I hope that apart from that, you will also remember that the stories, kumbaga sabi nga nila, if the walls could talk, pero sa IKEA, if the furniture could talk, if the plates could talk, marinig lahat ng mga magagandang memories that we build together. And today, hindi lang ito pang party, pang Christmas parties, pero you can also make it into a buffet table, just like what we have here. Ako talagang natatakam na ako dito sa nakikita natin. We have a pika-pika here. It's a charcuterie board, as you can see. Itong ating Vadhoma Kitchen Island kung saan ito nakatato. And syempre, hindi masayang salo-salo kung mag-isa lang ako, di ba? Kaya tatawagin ko na ang gorgeous. Wow, ito yan ha. Ang ating gorgeous IKEA Philippines says here, Herbie Nicolas. Nakita mo, hindi ka mo masabi yung title. Herbs, come over here, please. Please, join me. Hello, Herbie! Welcome to our IKEA home. Oh, gusto mo bang kumain? I-try natin.
Yun nga, kanina ko pa siya tinitignan.
Oo.
Sa pagkain of the side.
Diba? So we're going to try. Of course. Oh, at dahil mga Pilipino naman tayo, nakamayin ko na. Alam mo na. Ang sarap. Speaking of sharing, gusto na natin i-share yung nasa harap natin, di ba, Herbie? This is our gorgeous setup right here. This is something that you can bring home when you go to IKEA. Ang maganda kasi sa IKEA, you see it na. Kumbaga parang usually kasi on a normal shop, you see the items, lahat ng ganito dito. So sama-sama siya. But in IKEA, it gives you a glimpse of the kind of space that you can have in your family, in your home. Ito, wooden board ito. Itong ating serving base, no? Pagka ganito, parang kasi pang restaurant siya, nakita niyo yung mga nasa Michelin Guide, di ba? Parang ganito yung look niya, di ba, Herbs?
Yes, it's really nice kasi actually, this Vadhoma kitchen set is one of our top sellers din.
Okay.
Sa kitchen island, you can also use it to prepare your food. And actually, may extra storage sa harap.
Ang ganda din kasi diba pagka wood talaga, very classic yung design. This is something that it never really grow old, no? And what do we have here? Ito naman.
Actually, we have
Kasi classic din to eh.
This is actually a salt head cutting board. It's non-functional. You can use it for serving, for cutting, as well as serving your charcuterie board. Actually, it's also made of bamboo. And
wow.
Yes, bamboo is a renewable and sustainable material.
And you know, with everything that we do now, we really have grown accustomed to making sure that we're environmental friendly. Kasi nakita naman natin yung paligid natin ngayon, hindi para pahirapan pa natin ang ating Mother Earth, di ba? So with this one, it's made of bamboo, so you know that we are conscious of the environment. But at the same time, ang bamboo kasi talaga very resilient when it comes to anything that you put on, no?
Yes.
Oh.
Exactly. Actually, it's one of IKEA's goal to make sustainability affordable and accessible to all Filipinos. So with this in mind, we are designing our company eating range to ensure that the Filipinos can live a more sustainable and healthier life around food.
Oh, ang ganda kasi we're not only buying all these things to decorate or make our spaces more beautiful, but at the same time, you're setting up yourself for the most or the best conversations you're about to have with your family. Kasi yun talaga yung nangyayari doon, di ba? Sometimes kasi we forget na yung mga kagamitan natin sa bahay actually play a very big part in how we nurture our families as well. And I'm so glad that with Flavors of Home of IKEA, we don't just guarantee na magiging maganda siya, but we also guarantee that you get to celebrate your salo-salos with heart all the time. Very Filipino, no?
Yes, because during Christmas, of course, we want to invite a lot of our family or
Yes.
friends.
Oo, ang ganda. Ito, okay, mga ka-festival natin. O, hindi ako maligat. Talagang festival ang tawag, ah.
Ayun, tama.
Oo, baka kasi mamaya, sa bagay, ano rin naman, baka rin ako din eh. Pero kung ganito kaganda ang charcuterie board mo, anything you put on it, fruits, queso, meats, it will really look like as if pro ang gumawa.
It will really elevate your dining experience. It will make you feel like you're in a restaurant, pero nasa bahay ka lang talaga.
Oo. And speaking of, syempre, nasa bahay tayo. Wala namang bahay na walang cupboards, di ba? At ang nakikita natin dito sa likod natin, very curious ako kasi ang daming interesting things na nakikita natin. You know, this is one of the things that we love about IKEA. Parang ang dami-dami talaga. Oy, alam mo, minsan yung mga iniisip mong hindi mo kailangan, kailangan mo pala. And this is not just for aesthetic, but really for style and functionality. So, buksan natin. Wow! Parang
Door number 1.
door number 1. Okay. Walang lalabas dito jacket na box. Baka mamaya mapasigaw ako, ha? Joke lang. Napasaya ko lang kayo. Tapos na. So, Christmas na ba kasi, wow! Ano itong nakikita natin dito, Herbie?
Of course, in the Philippines, we like to dine and drink.
Yeah.
So what we have here is a Storcent wine glass. It's actually made of crystalline. So
Ano ibig sabihin nun, Herbie?
So actually, meron siyang crystal, pero
Oo.
it's made better kasi nga parang, ano siya, lighter and yung...
Can I try?
Yes.
Okay.
Medyo lighter. And we
Oo.
make some...
Ma'am, try, hawakan mo lang how light it is. Just try. I want you to feel it eh. Kasi doon mo malaman, ay, nahulog pala. Ay! Alam mo, maganda sa IKEA, kita rin natin yung presyo. Ako na pong bahala dahil ako naman na nag-abot. Oo. Pero it's nice, Herbs, because when you look at it looks very sturdy and heavy, but it's light. At alam naman natin na kapag nag-wine kayo, kailangan medyo mag-anong hawak nyo dahil kung hindi, madali mo maihuhulong.
Kasi maganda rin yung tunog niya kasi nga it's made of...
Can we try? Parang
nasa simbahan.
alam mo nga, parang kukumpetensyahin pa natin yung Philharmonic. Tignan mo. Diba? At hindi na makasag, ha? Tama na hanggang gano'n na lang, ha? Balik na natin. And then the other one,
Actually, of course, pag may wine, meron ka din carafe na kailangan lagyan ng wine.
Yes.
Yung 365 carafe with stopper. Actually,
I love it.
made
May
of,
pala na.
yes, with cork. It's actually made of tempered glass. So, durable siya and sturdy. Perfect for juices. Actually, for confident kung gusto nyo na ayaw.
Oh,
Wine.
okay.
And, of course, your holiday drinks.
Oo. Maganda kasi that it's clear enough. It's not frosted. You can see if you put some strawberries and your drink or cocktail has strawberries in it. They make it so aesthetic looking. I think one of the best things about IKEA is that they also think about and give you the freedom to be more stylish and put it your different flair, di ba? Okay, sige. Ilagay natin yan dyan. At kanina, meron kasi tayong nakaligtaan. Ito, ano ito? This is IKEA 365 Plus.
Yes, this is actually a food container. It's like 365 glass food container. It's actually made of heat-resistant glass. So you can
Heat resistant, pwede na yung microwave.
yes, you can use it in the microwave. You can use it in the oven. Actually, it's also easy to clean kasi it's glass. And the lid is also made of bamboo. So aside from the aesthetic part of it, it's actually airtight, so you can put it in the fridge, making your food fresh. So parang pag kinain mo yung leftover after Christmas, it's still, it tastes good pa rin.
Yeah, is it the reason why it's 365 Plus? Is it a line na supposedly you can use it all year round?
Yes, you're correct.
Diba nakita mo? Kasi syempre pag nanay ka and you have to buy something, hindi ka naman basta pwede magpulot lang ng gamit. It has to make sense to you and the way you live your lives. And syempre tayo, we want to be again environment friendly. But at the same time, actually when you look at it, di ba very Filipino yung flair niya? Kasi bamboo siya. Tapos hindi yun siya, ayan o, very...
Super airtight, ang hirap ng buksan.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi may hawak din tayong mic. Pero that's good because usually when you think about bamboo, parang madali siyang matanggal, madali siyang... Pero hindi ito airtight.
It's airtight, it's also sturdy, and then actually it's stackable. And
Okay.
siya sa loob ng cabinet. So ang ganda.
Ay, ang ganda! Here!
Yeah, we have glass, we also have plastic.
Yeah.
And just to share as well, our IKEA 365 Plus, we made it more affordable. So you can get more discounts. Just look for the made more affordable tag in our stores and online.
Okay. So yun yung tipid hack mo.
Yes.
That's nice. And di ba, we have all become content creators ourselves. Lahat ng ginagawa natin sa bahay ngayon, whether pinost nyo or hindi, you still take a video of it because for memories, gusto yung maalala how you presented the food to your family. And often when we think about it, di ba, mamaya, may mga makikilala tayong food content creators. But before that, tayo ourselves have become so conscious about what we eat, how we present it to our families. Kasi ito na yung labor of love natin. And this is something that we really do for our families. So very intentional talaga the way we are shopping at IKEA. Okay, let's talk about dinnerware, Herbie. Nasaan yung ate din? Dito tayo. Yeah. Ito yung dinnerware natin. Hindi siya nakaset up, but you can just imagine, when it is presented this way, it gives you the freedom to mix and match, correct, Herbs?
Yes, this is what we call the Gladinate dinnerware series. It's actually, this family has bowls, plates, so you can mix and match them. It's also our top seller. So pag pumunta kayo ngayon, baka hindi nyo mabili lahat. Pero ang good dito kasi we have different colors that you can mix and match. So pwede kang bumili ng light gray, then you can also match it with the dark gray one. And what's special about Gladinate kasi, the finish is like a reactive glaze, so parang siyang handcrafted, pero at an affordable price.
Okay, kasi just to give context about what Herbie is saying, we all know na maraming mga handmade ngayon, pottery, dinnerware, no, naubod ng mahal. At kung 12 ang paghahandaan mo, doon pa lang ubos na budget, makahangin na lang ang kainin namin at wala ng pagkain. So kung gusto natin, meron tayong maiiwan na budget, para kasi when you think IKEA, because it's so high quality, you think it's expensive, but no. Today, we are about to prove to you that there are so many items on the IKEA setups that will wow you. What's the lowest price that we have over there?
Actually, we have a product that's priced at 39.
39 as in 39 pesos. As in, mas mura pa sa pamasahe ng mga anak natin pag pumapasok. Can you just imagine? And this is Tatak IKEA.
Yes, it's actually functional. So, what we can see here in front,
dito pala. Okay, sige, punta tayo dito. So here you can see sophistication, really something that you will think is handmade. But this time, we are looking at
this is the off-task dinnerware. So, siguro kung mga shoppers kayo lagi ng IKEA, you're familiar with the off-task white plate. So, we have this green dinnerware. Actually, a price of 69. But
Magkano, Herbs?
initially, it is 69 pesos.
Initially, may bababa pa yun?
Yes, ito yung price natin na 39.
What? Oh my God!
So, for the holiday season, we are reducing the price until November 16. The price is only 39 for any off-task green dinnerware.
That is amazing. No, I want you to feel it again. Let's have somebody from the audience. If you want to try to hold, try. And tell me, does it feel like it is 69?
Around 69 to 39.
Does it feel like a 39 peso plate to you? No. Right? Diba ang mamahalan?
50 pesos.
And can you just imagine, just to give you an idea, 39 peso dinner plate, pag 10 ang pinili mo, 390 pesos lang. At kung ikaw nanay na medyo conscious of budget like myself, kasi alam mo, kahit na gaano kagaling kang kumita ng pera, mabilis maubos yan. And that's why we really have to take advantage of the product. You know, mga decrease kagaya nito, sale. Kasi makukuha mo siya until November 16, correct?
Yes.
What do we call this again?
Off-task green dinnerware. So, if you go inside the store, you will see it everywhere. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan hanapin siya, add to cart mo na lang.
At sabihin ko na sa inyo, made in France. Nakita nyo naman. Magkano to?
39 din.
39 din. So, para siyang salad plate or coaster for desserts. Ito pwede rin siya for dinner. Matching na.
You can buy everything na sa set.
So, parang technically, naku, math to, 78 pesos. Tapos, parang matching na siya. So, kung 10 ang bibilin mo, 780 lang. You don't get that anywhere, only in IKEA. Okay, what is next for us? Kasi syempre, meron na tayo mga iba pang pinupuntahan, diba? Tapos na tayo sa ating green area. Okay, ano pang meron tayo? Utility cart. Asan ang ating utility cart? Over there. Kunin natin.
Yes,
Yes, may iba rin siyang colors, no? Okay.
So, this is actually Raskov trolley.
Raskov.
You can use it in your kitchen, living room, dining, in the bedroom. Actually, meron din siyang dalawang lockable castors. So, pwede mo siya i-lock.
Okay. Ay, ang ganda. So, parang kid-friendly din siya, but just in case it doesn't move so much. Alam mo kung saan ko pa ito nakikita, not just in the homes, but also in nail salon.
Actually, oo, kasi medyo flexible na siya.
Yes! At saka, mga perfume, sometimes even the dinnerware, no? Kasi pag wala po kayong mga cupboard shelf sa bahay, this can be, kaya talagang utility cart siya.
Yes, you can use it anywhere.
That's right. Okay. At pag may bisita ka, tiyak, iuuwi na rin nila yan.
Sana hindi, bumili na lang sila ng sarili nila.
Diba? Magkano to? Do we know how much
This actually it's also made more affordable, like our food containers of 1,799, 1,499.
1,499 na lang to. Can you imagine? It's so sturdy and so chic. It doesn't take up so much of the space, which is perfect even for condo, solo living. For families too, lalo na pag yung mga pamilyang ayaw halo-halo yung gamit nila. Kaya sila kanya-kanya.
One each.
Yes, okay. Eto na. So speaking of, we have a kitchen promo now that starts today.
Yes, actually this big announcement here is what we have here is a kitchen promo. It's the Method 10% rebate via IKEA gift card. You only need to purchase a minimum of 50,000 pesos worth of Method kitchens.
Okay.
Then, as a family member, because it's exclusive for family members, so if you're not yet a member, please sign up.
Which is so easy to do.
Because it's free.
Yeah.
You can sign up online, you can sign up inside the store. And actually, for our kitchens, it's free planning. You can also do it here in Pasay. You can do it in our Plan and Order shop in Quezon City. And at your own time, you can also plan online with our kitchens.
Everything made easy, made affordable, and all of high quality. So, ibig sabihin, okay, because ang minimum 50,000. Pero kung naka 75,000 ka, you get a rebate of 7,500 GC, correct?
That's correct din po. 1,500, you can use it to purchase any IKEA product.
Okay.
Here actually.
Do we have the frying pan here? Ito ba yun?
Yes, what we have here is the IKEA 365 Plus stainless steel frying pan. Actually, we want to showcase this because this product actually has 15-year guarantee.
15-year guarantee. And what does that guarantee you?
It guarantees our customers that they can use it until for 15 years.
Wow.
And if it's broken within that period, we will replace it. Because we are sure that this product will last for 15 years.
And so I just wanted to reiterate na kung ikaw ay yung tao na you wanna get the value for your money, 15 years is a long time. Lumaki na yung anak mo niyan.
Pwede na siya ipamana.
No, pwede nang ipamana. Hindi lang yun. Kung masisira siya, you can always have it replaced, correct? Where you got it, correct? So, ibig sabihin, in this branch, dito nila kukuhanin.
You can actually have it replaced, but of course, you have to revisit how you use it.
Oo naman, kasi baka mamaya, parang, baka na ipapukpok sa baka ipapukpok sa kaaway. Huwag ganon. Basta luto lang. Luto na wear and tear. Okay, papalunuhin na natin lahat ng ating next kitchen purchase with all these amazing, affordable items. And pwede ka na mag-host bonggang-bongga ng any party, whether it is just the two of you and your friend, or four, no, nagchichikahan kayo, or pwede rin plenty of you, di ba? Pwede imagine 39 peso dinnerware. Where do you get that?
Until November 16th, we want to remind you guys you can purchase it after your event.
That's right. May budget talaga tayo sinusunod at ang maganda niyan, IKEA is very supportive of that budget. Kaya ganyan ang IKEA flavors of home. Stylish na, sulit pa. Kaya naman check out na po kayo sa ating IKEA.ph online or follow of course IKEA on all social media platforms. Okay, nakita na natin, Nerves, kung gaano kaganda, gaano ka-functional, abot kaya, and sustainable. Grabe natin yan, ha? Check natin ito mo yan, ha? Check natin na lahat. Ang ating IKEA cooking and kitchen eating range na perfect talaga para sa ating holiday hosting. From durable cookware to elegant dinnerware na mukhang handmade. Tignan mo nga naman. At meron din tayo ditong fun and quirky colors. Ito, dinesign talaga para mapadali at mapasarap, mapaganda pa ang handaan po natin sa ating mga tahanan. Kaya naman, this season, mas masaya talaga mag-celebrate sa bahay. Kasi sa totoo, alam mo, yung ibabayad mo sa restaurant, mapamibili mo na. At ito, may 15-year guarantee ka ba na frying pan. Of course, yan ang flavors of Christmas that will begin right now. At syempre, hindi lang tayo puro kwento, diba, Herbie? Marami tayong mga exciting na mga experiences for today. Here's a little taste of what's ahead. We'll explore beautifully styled holiday showrooms. Doon po yan sa taas. We're going to spot festive installations, very specially nanda ng IKEA for us today. Along the way, and of course, we get to enjoy live, okay, again, now ulitin ko, live food preparation demos with delicious samples of for everyone to enjoy and to try. Kasi syempre, pag ito, nakita mo magaling kitchen, pero nakita mo, ano mo, pwede mo ma-prepare dyan. Yan, di ba? Finally, we'll wrap up the day with exciting giveaways. Who wants giveaways? Ako rin, pero iwi mo kasi taga dito. Ganun talaga. Jolly Carrots, of course, and a few more sweet surprises for everybody. And before we start, I hope na-claim nyo na po ang inyong mga Christmas cards. Have you already claimed your Christmas cards? Amazing! Okay. At dyan sa ating registration area na po natin